This is a very big and nice hostel. Showers are great. They have a lot of places for showering and WCs. They have elevators. And what I like here is the decoration of this place. It's so great. It's really amazing. A lot of stairs and they're very beautiful. Oh. Yeah, a lot of stairs and they are very nice. Really, really nice. Today is not so hot here. It's about 20 degrees Celsius, which is great. I can walk the city and just enjoy. And there we go. Let's go down. Wow, it's really nice. Very nice infrastructure. Nice. I like it. So I'm going to exchange some money because here they don't use the euro, they use the florin. So I exchange some money to spend today with meals, maybe transportation like a subway or bus, who knows. I slept a lot, which means I don't have the whole day here. Yeah. Wow, that's great. Wander around Budapest. This is a very nice place we have here. All the lockers, the toilets. There we go. I think I will have to return here to enjoy more Hungary. This country looks great. It's a supermarket here. That's amazing. And here is a subway station. Yeah, there are some exchange houses here. Let's go over.
Two months ago, I was in Sicily, in Italy.
Nice.
Not in Sicily, in Venice.
In
Sorry,
Venice.
in Sicily I was too. We were talking, and he comes from Panama. Yeah.
Yeah. And do you have a favorite European country?
Yes.
Which one? Spain?
Croatia, because of landscape, and Spain, of course.
Spain. Wow.
Right.
You know, I lived in Spain 6 months.
Yeah. In which area?
In Burgos, north of Madrid.
Right.
close to Bilbao.
Yeah.
This was my first country leaving Brazil, living abroad.
I see.
And the experience,
We should go there to the road.
experience was awesome. Was the best experience of my life. But at that time, I was like a child, 19 years old, so I didn't understand how great I was living in Spain, you know.
Right.
But nowadays, I talk with some Spanish people, and I see, it's a very nice country actually.
If you want, in the morning, we can visit some very famous Jewish district.
Yeah, we could if it's close.
I took some photos with many flowers. You can see.
Beautiful. And in terms of safety, do you think it's like Poland here? Is it safe?
You know, it's a capital, so for me, almost every capital is safe.
I see.
But in Poland, Warsaw, it's not safe capital
really?
as before. Yeah.
But what about, for example, like robbing your wallet, your cell phone? These things,
it's okay.
it doesn't happen.
Yeah. It's a, in my opinion, typical level of Western Europe.
It's all the same.
Yeah, out of corruption.
Nice.
It's rather safe, but
Nice. Yeah.
Now we are going to the river Dunaj, and we can see the biggest synagogue in the Europe.
Nice. This is a very long river.
Right.
I was seeing it.
Right.
It crosses all Germany, I think. It goes to the Black Sea.
Yeah.
Nice. And here we have a big synagogue. It's a very beautiful one, nice architecture. Looks like a church, but it's a synagogue. It's really nice. Nice. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Poland is a country with a lot of Jews, right? Even
Right.
today.
Right, and we've got the same history like Hungary because of Holocaust. Yeah. So at the moment, the amount of Jewish is low. The same in Budapest.
Yes.
But now I've read that in Budapest live 100,000 people here. So it's enough.
And are you descent of Jews as well?
Descent?
Yeah, like maybe in your blood there is Jewish people?
No, I don't.
No.
Why?
Yes, yes.
Look at my skin.
Yeah, but you know, a lot of Europeans, they don't know.
Right. But I know what you say.
Because, you know, I did a DNA test, and I have.
Yes, but yes.
Yeah, I have 90% of Jewish in my blood.
So maybe, but in my opinion, I've got a colleague who is Jewish. In my opinion, it's really easy to recognize the Jewish appearance.
Oh, really?
Yeah. First of all, my nose, but it's not my nose. Your eyes are
Bigger?
deeper inside. Yeah. Not mine.
Yeah,
Typical Jewish.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. And it's rather true. Yeah.
Interesting. I didn't know about it. You know, a lot of Brazilians, we are descendants of Jews because during the Inquisition, the Catholic Church was like killing the Jews or obligating them to become Catholics. So a lot of Jews in Spain and in Portugal, they flee to Latin America, they flee to Brazil. And, you know, we are very mixed in Brazil. So you don't see physically who is who.
Right, I see.
Yeah. But I always had that thing, oh, probably I am. So I did the DNA test, and now it appears 9% of my family, of my blood is Jewish, 90% is Arabic. Really? I have 56% of European descent, Iberian, Spanish, and Portuguese.
It's really interesting.
25% African, and I have, I think, 14% of American indigenous people. You know, from the Amazon, from the Incas.
Right.
So I'm totally a mix of cultures.
So the reason is you've got healthy DNA because you mix.
Yeah. My idea, actually, I did the DNA test because I was trying to get the Portuguese citizenship. If you can prove your family came back from a Jewish family from Portugal, fleeing to Brazil, you can get the Portuguese citizenship. But my grandmother, grandfather, they don't know, you know, their history, their documents.
I see.
It's lost. But if I knew, I could get the Portuguese citizenship.
Right.
I think Portugal is the only country in the world that gives the Portuguese citizenship if you can prove you are a descendant of Jews.
Right.
Yeah.
But European history, it's very complicated because they try to attack each other and they hated each other. So not to assimilate properly, it's rather to make some war.
Yeah.
And because of that, to divide many populations.
Yeah.
We are Jewish, we are German.
Yeah, you are right.
So because of that, it was impossible to mix Jewish with German. Yeah, you know, the Second War.
Yeah.
For instance. So yeah, but DNA test, it's really interesting.
Yeah, it is.
And where we are,